like a birthday. Isn't that cute?
Fun.
He did that, and he's made, look at these, for 17th century king, for all the movies. And then I have all of those. I have the suit from Mask, one of the
Oh, really?
one of the doubles from Mask and everything. And I mean, I make all the saddle pads to match and stuff. And I hand do. You'll see all of my saddle pads. But in here is the Robin Hood. This is actually from the movie
Robin Hood
with the skirt and this little hat. This is from the old movie.
With Errol Flynn?
Yeah, no, I think it was the Men in Tights.
Oh, the Men in Tights version. Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah. And then this one is, what's that movie? It wasn't 300, it started with a G.
Gladiator?
Gladiator.
Oh,
And
with
this is-
Russell Crowe.
Yeah, Russell Crowe. This is the Gladiator.
Oh, look, it's like a...
This is
like
one
a
of the
kilt
one
almost.
of the army guys, one of the fighters, and it comes with a tunic. And my son wore this, and it comes with a helmet and stuff.
Fun.
Yeah, look at this. This is so fun. Look at this.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Oh, Brody.
Wow, it's actual metal.
Yeah, he made everything in metal. He made everything. So all of these closets have if I can close this, have all these costumes and stuff. And then in here is my theme costumes. It's amazing. So many. We have this is one you'll love. This is the Baron of Darkness.
Oh.
And he wears all black, and he comes in with fog machine.
Oh.
Oh, wow.
Has the gray wig and the cross on his neck. So, and he comes and he runs real fast around with music, and then he comes and brings in the flag. And then we have Zorro.
Oh, yeah.
The actual Zorro. We have the Caribbean.
Oh, there you go.
We have Sergeant Pepper. I design all of these. I design and I have a tailor make all of these.
Oh, wow.
This is Liberace Michael Jackson here. This is his black tails, Admiral tails, and the pants, and the epaulets, and stuff. And then we have, this is a kind of like a, I don't know, something spectacular. And then here's mine. Here's my stuff. But each closet has a theme. We have Elvis. Elvis is back here.
Oh, gosh.
We come in, what depends upon what the lady wants. If she tells me a theme, then I do to the theme. And then back here is all my saddles.
What's her name?
Sombrita. And in here is the 7-ton hay storage with the temperature which my son uses for his storage,
Yeah.
But usually my hay is up here, and I go up to Norco. It's an hour away, and I get some beautiful orchard hay.
Great.
For like half the price that down here, So I just, this is my little hay room that I keep,
Nice. Nice. What a great
Isn't that setup? Nobody has a setup like this. They keep their hay.
I think
out.
Jenny will want one soon.
Yeah, sure.
Here's the big red ball.
Oh, that's a Pilates ball. He busts it, and then he gets scared.
Oh.
But all of these are his closets. Everything is his closet. He has
And those are all
all color nets. That black over here. He has all these. That's one drawer of bits. He has all of his nets there. His tie backs for his hair.
Oh boy.
I mean, he has.
Jeez.
This whole thing is tailback.
I don't think our kids had this much stuff.
Well, he's got so
And
much.
he has. Oh, look at this. Hey, Peanut. And in here, look at this. I just created this.
Oh my goodness.
It's
that
really
is
delicate.
Beautiful. That's the brow
This is
band.
what we use with our white tails with
Oh,
silver
yeah.
sequin. This is all Swarovski crystal.
Really?
But for the weight of this thing.
More bling than I do.
It's yeah.
Yeah,
She'll
got it.
want one of these too. But this is for each costume. He has a different brow band. He has this is his other brow band, and it has crowns on the side. Musi. That's what everybody calls them.
Yeah.
Musi. He has that. He has my son got me a gorgeous brow band. This over here, this is his flag ceremony bridal. And it has his nameplate in all diamonds, which says music. That's what his name is, music. Music of the night. And then in here
Music of the
is
night.
his
The first was
bridal that I
9
created.
KM.
Oh.
This.
Oh my gosh.
Isn't that gorgeous?
Hey, there you are.
That's his Baroque, his Spanish bridal.
So
He
that
has, oh my God.
I just want to thank Mom for giving me this as a birthday present. Thank you so much, Mom. You're a really nice person. You know what I want for my birthday.
Very good. Happy birthday.
Thank you. It's a really nice present. Best you know. Hey,
Yeah,
hey,
I
buddy.
imported him from Holland. Yeah, definitely.
Oh, yeah. Farm that Phantom was
Yeah. She's an alcoholic. She can't control her liquor. She'll lick you to death. She doesn't know
Liquor.
what to do with her tongue. You know? Yes. She's no. I'll show you what. I'll show you what he can. He can do. Video.
All right.
I'm gonna smack you.
Quit it.